So basically, just hold it there. Yeah, this is the focus ring. See this one here? This one?
I ain't touching that. Just hold it like this, like.
Yeah. And then keep it there. Yeah, that's it. You don't know what it is. Unboxing the thing, you get me? MacBook Pro. You alright? You having a good time? I get one shot though.
Come and see.
You ready?
Wait.
Is it looking good?
Yeah. Well, I have got it in my hand.
Here we have the 2019 MacBook Pro, straight from the Apple shop. Ooh, it's looking fresh. It's got all of that on it, you get me? Fresh. It comes with the laptop. Here, it comes with this cable. This is a big cable. I don't know what that's for, but it's looking nice. Very good.
Yes, a very nice
handsome.
cable.
Very nice. What's this thing? Oh, we got a plug. Very good. Very nice. Very handsome. Oh, that's the charging. That's the charger. Well, obviously. Here. What else is in the box? Where's that it?
You know my hand getting tired though.
Hold on.
Oh, for God's sake.
Wait. That's it. Still, just a laptop and that. That's cool. Still. So yeah. There's a laptop. Let me open it. Oh.
Very nice.
Fresh.
Very handsome, yeah.
Very good. Fresh.
It's alright.
No. Oh, it's on!
Oh my
yes!
God. Oh.
Hey, so this is the laptop.
Oh,
this
dear.
is the first time you're seeing it turn on. So, yeah, that's the new 2019 MacBook Pro laptop. Trackpad there. Oh, English UK, please, Peter Andre. Let me press this one. These have all lit up. The touch bar is lit up. Oh, it's very snazzy. It's very touchpaddy. United Kingdom, please.
Very nice.
British, yeah. Don't worry about the networking. Yeah, man. So yeah, we'll just leave that for now. And that is the laptop. Very nice, space grey colour. Very, very, very nice. The end. Thank you very much, Nan.
There, know that I'm there. Old school there, know that we there.